Hey guys, they call me El Patronn.
They call me Mr. Disler.
And this is Brooklyn Mitsubishi, guys. This is what we got going on in October, okay? We got the new car program going on. I've explained to them why they should buy a brand new Mitsubishi from Brooklyn Mitsubishi.
Well, let me break it down for you guys in a way you understand. It's all about money. $3,000 off any new car. $3,000 savings. Good credit, bad credit, we can utilize that $3,000 as if it were a down payment to add on to the down payment that you have, if you have. Now, mind you, we have first-time buyer programs. We have PTG forgiveness programs for those with the repo. Let's say you co-signed for somebody, messed up your credit, don't worry about it. There's a program for it. Just ask me how. I will get you approved. New car, 0 miles, 7-year warranty, 100,000 miles, whatever comes first, whichever one you like. I got blue, red, black, white, does not matter. I have the car. I have the way to get you approved, guys. Just ask me how.
Guys, whatever he says, I approve that message. Let's go.
Ya tú sabes.